Guys, welcome to Schmelwa's Cooking. Today we're going to make a sausage and roasted vegetable pasta bake. It's going to be really delicious and easy and simple. Let's do it! Okay, so I'm going to start here with some Beyond sausage. Now you could use regular sausage, but I'm going to use the alternative. And I'm going to get this browning on my grill. You can do this in a fry pan if you don't have one of these great flat tops. I recommend you do get one though. You can get from Steel Made USA, and they are fabulous. The other ingredients that are going to go into this, some stuff vegetables I roasted off later. I just threw them on the flat top, and you can do them in the oven. I have some roasted eggplant, some roasted green pepper, and some long hot peppers. I'm also going to add some garlic to this, so I'm just going to take a few cloves of garlic and just toss them right here on my grill. I'll let them brown up a little bit. I'll hit them with a couple drops of olive oil. And the sauce I'm going to use is my basic tomato sauce. This is basically the pizza sauce, which I make in, I think, episode number 14 or 13 or 14. So you can look this up and get a good recipe for this. But that or any jar marinara sauce will do. I have in my pot here some water coming up to the boil. It's well salted. And I'm going to use just whatever pasta I have around. I have some shells here. I'm going to open it up. And it says cook 7 to 9 minutes. Now, here's one word. You need to cook this for much less time than the package says, because it's going to cook a lot inside the casserole dish. So my oven is warming up to 375. And I'm going to stick these in here, and I am just going to cook these for about 5 minutes. Once I got the sausage brown, I'll show you how we're going to assemble it and put together real quick. We'll be right back. Alright, we got a good brown on our sausage and our garlic, so let's assemble this puppy. We're going to take a little bit of our sauce here. Get it on the bottom, just so we have a little something down there. Our noodles are done. Just going to reach right on in with my spider here and grab some of that. Put a little bit of that in there. I want to grab all this lovely Greek veg. I got the eggplant. I'll spread the eggplant around. I got the onions. Spread them around. Now we got the peppers. Get them all through there. We want to grab our sausage and slice into that. Nice and browned up, it's got good flavor in it. And we're just going to slice this into pieces here. We're going to keep on building this here. Take our sausage, spread that out. And cheese-wise, I'm going to keep this simple. I mean, ricotta would be great in this, but I'm going to make this so it's kid-friendly too, and just keep it with mozzarella. A lot of times the kids don't like the ricotta. So we got that. Take a little bit of our sauce. Got a good layer of cheese on here. I just got shredded mozzarella. Got to grab the rest of our pasta. Some more sauce. And a little bit more cheese. Season it with a little bit of salt. Some fresh cracked pepper. And some Italian seasoning. And we're going to put a cover on this and put this into our oven. 350 rather, for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Then we'll remove the lid for the last couple minutes to let it brown up a little bit. All right, I'll show you what it looks like when she's done. All right. Let's grab our pasta dish here. Woo! And there we go. That looks fantastic. Alright, we have all our different stuff in here. Our sausage, our roasted vegetables. Just go in there and grab yourself a serving, and this will be even better the next day. And there you go. Hearty baked pasta. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.